Hello everyone, thank you for joining this demo. Today I'm going to show you a complete ATS and pre-onboarding application that help you to manage your entire hiring process in one place. This system covers everything from job posting and resume collection to interview, offer letter and joining day activities. The goal of this application is very simple. Reduce manual work, avoid follow-ups, improve hiring speed and keep all your candidate data safe and organized. Before I start the demo, I want to explain a very important point. This application is built completely on Microsoft Power Platform using PowerApp, Dataverse, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint, and OneDrive. This means your data stay inside your own Microsoft account. You do not need to use any third-party ATS software. You do not need to upload a resume to external servers. All resumes and documents are stored securely in your own SharePoint or OneDrive. This is one of the biggest advantages of this solution, 100% data security and full ownership. Now let's start with the actual system. This is a dashboard screen. As soon as HR log in, they can see a total candidate and total onboarded employees. This give a quick overview of how many candidates are in hiring pipeline and how many are have already joined. HR does not need to open a multiple files or reports. Everything is visible in one screen. Next, we go to the open position section. This is where HR create job openings. Creating a job post is very easy. HR enter the job title, select the department, choose the location and add the job description. Once the job is submitted, it become active immediately. All job postings are listed and each job has a unique application link. HR can share this link on LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, WhatsApp, or company website. There is no limit and no extra cost per job post. When a candidate clicks this link, it opens a simple job application form. This form is built using Power Pages, which work like a website. The candidate fill in their details, upload their resume, and submit the form. The moment the candidate apply, their application is automatically saved inside the ATS system. HR does not need to download a resume or check emails. Everything come directly into the application. Now let's move to the application section. This is where HR review candidate. Here you can see all job applications in one list. HR can open a resume, quickly review, call the candidate, or send a WhatsApp message. HR can also shortlist or reject the candidate using the simple dropdown. Once candidate is shortlisted, the system automatically moves the candidate to the interview stage. After shortlisting, the candidate appear in the interview section. This is where HR manage interview rounds. HR can create up to 5 interview rounds for each candidate. For each round, HR select the interviewer and schedule the interview dates. Once the interview is scheduled, both the candidate and the interviewer receive the automatic email with the interview details. This save a lots of coordination time. After the interview, the interviewer does not need to log in the system. Instead of the interviewer receive an email with a feedback option. They can shortlist or reject the candidate directly from the email and feedback. Once the feedback is submitted, the candidate status is updated automatically in the system. HR can see the result instantly. This makes the interview process faster and more transparent. Once all interview rounds are completed, the candidate moves to the final HR round. In this stage, HR or the HR manager handle the salary discussion and final approval. HR can add final comments, confirm salary details, and shortlist the candidate for the offer letter generation. After this step, the candidate receive an email asking them to submit a required document. This document submission is done through the another Power Pages form. The candidate open the link, fill in personal details, and upload required documents such as ID proof, certificates, resumes. As soon as the candidate submit the form, HR can see all the details in document inside the application. There is no email chasing or no missing files. Now we move to the onboarding section where HR select the candidate and click on view documents. HR can clearly see which documents are uploaded and which are still pending. This helps HR complete verification before generating offer letter. Next is the offer letter process. To generate the offer letter, HR click on the PDF icon. On the offer letter screen, HR enter the yearly gross salary, select the date of joining, choose the reporting manager and select the authorized signature. If needed, HR can also change the basic and HRA percentage directly. Once everything is set, HR click generate offer letter. Within a minute, the offer letter is generated automatically as a PDF. HR can review the offer letter immediately. After just checking the offer letter, HR click on send for signature button. Approval flow start automatically. First, the offer letter goes to the HR who created it, then to the HR manager, and then the CEO of or authorized person. Each approver receive an email with the offer letter attached and the simple approve and reject button. Once all internal approvals are completed, the offer letter is sent to the candidate. The candidate receive the offer letter by email or can accept or reject it with one click. Once the candidate accept the offer, the pre-onboarding process is completed. Offer acceptance, HR can open timeline view. This screen show the calendar view of all joining dates. HR can easily see who is joining on which date and plan activity accordingly. If someone is joining today, HR open the today joining tab. Then HR can see all new joiners for the day. For each new joiner, HR can open the joining day checklist. This checklist help make sure nothing is missed. Tasks like pre-arrival setup, IT setup, and induction can be marked as completed as tasks are completed. The system show the complete percentage. This ensure the smooth and professional onboarding experience for every employee. So this is a complete ATS and pre-onboarding solution designed for real business needs. It is a secure, easy to use, and fully customizable, and built on Microsoft Power Platform. You don't need to multiple tools, Excel sheets, or manual follow-ups. Everything is managed in one system. If your organization want modern, secure, and scalable hiring solution, this application is perfect fit. Let's connect and customize this system for your hiring process.